For the residents of Hyderabad, for those people who have been following the case of the girl who we are calling Hyderabad's Nirbhaya, the shock, the anger, the anguish, nothing has lessened in the last 48 hours. Yesterday, 4 people were shown as being the accused. They have been caught. At least we are hoping that the process of justice will happen.
Yes, the process of justice should happen, but these people should not be hanged. They should be ambushed and they should be handed over to the public so that they get the same remedial treatment what they have done to the child.
I can understand your anger when you are saying this. This is a young law student who I'm. What is your view on it? I know there is public anger, and as soon as something like this happens, we say, hang them, let's also burn them. But that is not the way forward, isn't it, in a civilized society?
Yes, I believe there is a criminal justice system, there is a procedure that is to be followed. I do understand there is public anger, they have their opinions. Well, my opinion would be that the procedure should be followed. Yes, I want them to be hanged, I want them to be punished, but not in this way. They should be given their rights so that at the end there is no wrong or no finger should be pointed against the system that they did not follow the procedure. That should be followed, and yes, they should be hanged at the end.
As youngsters, you must be traveling around different places. Do you face this feeling of being unsafe? Does that come to you ever?
Yeah, I travel in the same route daily. I work in a software company daily, and I take the ORR daily, but I have a car and I travel on my own. I come very late at night. My work requests me to work late at night, and I come late during the same route.
Has anything changed after this very, very tragic case? Does the apprehension come to your mind?
Yeah, so for the past 2 days since this picture has come and it has been coming in the media, it has gathered so much of publicity. There are police jeeps present in the toll gate for the past 2 days, but often when I travel in the ORR, I see that there are few patrolling happening.
Very little patrolling is what you're saying.
Very little patrolling at few places. There are no sirens, and even in the toll plaza, there are so many lorry drivers. There are so many incidents which go on unnoticed, but we ignore them.
It could be anyone. In this case, it happened to be one kind, lorry drivers. But we are not saying that all lorry drivers are criminals, obviously.
Yeah, not all lorry drivers, but it's a very. If you would have visited that place, you must have seen that it's a very silent place. We are in the outskirts, so we require more personnel. We require more police personnel patrolling. More security is required, especially in those areas.
Illumination is also most important place in the ORR and adjoining the areas. Outskirts. Yeah, illumination is the most important and prioritized thing.
कल से ये खबर भी आ रही है, फैमिली ने भी यही कहा कि the response of the police was not good. In fact, the Minister of State for Home, he also seemed to suggest that he felt that there were some lapses.
Actually, first thing, police station में जब गए थे, when family went to the police station, immediately action should happen. Not like general people, they don't know that where to go, which police station comes under which area. So first thing, immediate action is required, and then paperwork is also important. But after that, and the thing is, immediate action अगर होता था तो हो जाता था सब कुछ.
मैडम, आपसे भी पूछना चाहेंगे, इट्ला उन्नప్పుడు what is the kind of apprehensions you have as a woman who travels? Your sisters may be traveling, your children may be traveling.
అవునండి, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఏం చెప్పదలుచుకున్నానంటే, ముందు పరిధులు తీసేయండి. ఎవరైనా కూడా పోలీసింగ్ అంటేనే రక్షణ వ్యవస్థ. ప్రజలని కాపాడటం కోసం, వాళ్ళని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయటం కోసం ఏర్పాటు చేసుకున్నది. అప్పుడు ఎవరైనా వచ్చి కంప్లైంట్ చేయడానికి వచ్చినప్పుడు వాళ్ళ నుంచి 1,00,000 క్వశ్చన్లు వేసి సమాధానాలు రాబట్టే బదులు ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా రియాక్ట్ అయితే బాగుంటుందండి.
ప్రాంప్ట్ యాక్షన్ అండ్ రియాక్షన్ ఇస్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పోలీస్. మీరేమంటారు?
అంతే సేమ్. When we all feel that the crucial time was lost in locating the child, if they could have taken immediate action, I think at least the body would have been found. Instead of burning the body, we would have got the body at least for the last sight for the parents.
Any of you who now worries about your daughters going out?
Everybody worries. And more so when they are coming late in the night and they don't come at the scheduled time. There is some delay. So many unwanted things run in the mind if they don't come as per schedule. So that risk is always there.
As the fear obviously has gone up after this incident.
Very much. See, this toll plaza is on the main road. Just some few 100 meters beyond that toll plaza, this incident has happened. My mystery is how come no one noticed? So many vehicles go up and down. I am told these lorry people parked it in such a way that cameras don't focus, people don't hear the screams, etc. Nevertheless, it is just 50 or 100 meters from that place, I am told. Despite that, this has escaped attention. Maybe she would have come back at least alive. But here even body was not received by the parents.
Very, very unfortunate set of circumstances. Something like this, మనం వింటున్నప్పుడు you are saying it is an anguish to all of us. Our family అయితే ఎవరు రికవర్ కాలేరు కానీ
ముందు మాత్రం ఇట్లాంటి జరగకుండా మాత్రం అయితే చట్టంలో అయితే చేంజెస్ తీసుకురావాలండి. అంటే పెట్రోలింగ్ కూడా కొంచెం ఎక్కువగా ఉండాలి. అండ్ లైట్స్ కానీ ఇవి కానీ హైవే అది ఎన్నో వెహికల్స్ వస్తూ పోతూ ఉంటాయి కానీ అంత సెక్యూరిటీ లేదన్నది నా ఒపీనియన్ అనమాట. ఎందుకంటే రోడ్కి హైవేకి చాలా దగ్గరలో జరిగిన ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఇది.
That it happened, the incident in fact happened very close to the road and yet no action was taken. Sir, सारे जो लोग यहाँ पे हैं वो यही कह रहे हैं कि जो पेट्रोलिंग थी वो शायद काफ़ी नहीं थी और हाईवे के बिल्कुल बगल में हुआ है, बिल्कुल पास में हुआ है. क्या आपको लगता है कि पुलिस की तरफ से भी कोई कमी हुई है सिक्योरिटी अपैरेटस में?
पहला तो जो घटना घटी है, वी आर वेरी सैड अबाउट दैट. And I belong to Shamshabad, born here, brought up here and living here also. I am a doctor, practicing doctor. ये हाईवे के बगल में नहीं, हाईवे के ऊपर हुआ है. Only a wall is, I mean, separation. And another thing, दो चीज़ जो हम पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट से साफ सीधा हमने बताया है. एक है because there is a ruling from Supreme Court that whenever a lady comes to a police station, they have to register a case and immediately take some action. और जब ये माँ बाप वो पुलिस स्टेशन में जाता है तो बोलते हैं ये एरिया में नहीं आता उधर जाओ, और वो बोलता है उधर नहीं इधर जाओ. And they were innocent. रात के बीच में they were innocent mother and daughter, they have gone there. और इसके बाद में और सोचनीय बात यह है कि किसके साथ गया कि कल सुबह आ जाएगी. You see, at least I am of the opinion, if police would have acted swiftly, उनको हम पाते थे. Okay, leave about the incident, what happened and all that. मगर वो बच्ची तो मिलती थी, alive मिलती थी.
That is the big thing.
और ये पूरा छोड़कर
taken the jeep, taken the mother and the sister and gone to the spot where these people are telling. Toll plaza, they are telling. They should have gone there with sirens blaring. The people who are committing the offence, at least they would have stopped. वो नहीं किया ये लोग ने. They wasted time on procedural aspects.
Any of you feels?
One last thing I want to stress on the point. Story is over. वो बच्ची को तो उसको जान से तो फिर ला सकते नहीं. एक चीज़ तो मैं ये ऑफिशियल्स के ऊपर मैं आई वांट टू स्ट्रेस ए पॉइंट, ऐसे चीज़ फिर नहीं होना चाहिए. वी वांट टू हैव सम मेजर्स. ये इतना बड़ी जगह है, इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट है और इतनी बड़ी आबादी यहाँ बढ़ रही है. द पुलिस शुड एक्सपेक्ट, वो एंटिसिपेट करना चाहिए आगे क्या होता है. बिकॉज डिपेंडिंग ऑन द पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोरेशन एंड ऑल द थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन, आई रिक्वेस्ट and even I demand the police to go for a modernized future action. Thank you.
After this incident almost in your neighborhood, how much of what kind of measures are you looking at? Obviously the fear factor has gone up hugely.
Of course, we want first security. We want security, and most of the people are telling that she hasn't dialed 100, and the parents have gone directly and gave complaint to the police people, and they haven't taken any measures. And how come
that kind of kills your confidence about approaching the police?
Definitely it will kills us. Why? Definitely we'll be thinking what will be happening for us next.
Ma'am, no, instead of hopping to one station to the another, when the parents had been to one station, they should have registered the case and maybe they should have gone and seen what is happening. Then they could have saved the girl. They let it happen for 2 hours. By that time, I don't know what the girl would have suffered. That's a mistake of what the police had done. I think they should have registered and gone ahead with it, whichever police is right.
One final thing to the young women, what would you like to see happening to make you feel more secure. You're using a car, that's okay. Public transport, one of the women yesterday was pointing out that public transport is so poor that many people have to take shared auto, and then you have to peep in and see whether there are women sitting inside, so you feel secure or not. And then Ola or Uber, even that we have had so many incidents.
Ma'am, I got a car after I started working. Before that, I've been born and brought up here in Hyderabad. I've been taking public transport while I've been traveling to school and college, and I take the shared autos which you just told. So we have to be very careful as to who all are there in the auto. Who is the driver? Does the driver look okay? Because the point where we get down here to come to the inside the colony is very secluded, and also the path from the main road to our colony, if you would have seen there's a small temple behind that. It's completely secluded. There are no street lights over there. It's a small kacha road, so it's very scary.
Have you ever tried asking for municipalities for lights there?
We have asked several times. We have been.
And what do you want to ask the government in terms of trying to make you feel secure? Everyone's talking about police response has not been good. We'll like more responsive action from the police.
So, well, I first of all wonder if they knew about the actual procedure that is to be followed about the zero FIR that the people are talking about. Now, I don't think these people knew about zero FIR before this incident. I don't know if they actually knew it or not, but after this, now they are being aware of it. Now there are hundreds of places where people still don't know that there exists something like zero FIR. So first of all, this kind of awareness should be spread. The police should be sensitized as to what all procedure, what are the new changes that is being brought, and how they are supposed to react to such things. First, the police should be sensitized, and after that we can see an actual change. I don't understand, I don't know if the law should be made more perfect, because the amendment has already come. I think the problem is in the execution and the people who and the law enforcing agency.
In fact, the police yesterday said, which is perhaps a very welcome step, he said you dial 100 and within 5 minutes you will get a response. But there is also a false alarm that happened. Somebody alerted about an Omni van and the police went behind it, tracked it down, and only to find that it was a false alarm. Does the police really have the bandwidth to handle so many calls and so many helplines? That's something that we ask.
Doing it because sometimes we hold a mobile in our hand and maybe by mistake we could have dialed it. But I think they should go and they have to respond to that. Otherwise, really something happens, then what happens to the people over there? They should do it.
Yeah, that is true. So the government, in fact, proposing that they will have a number like a 112 which will dial up and take the kind of the alarm bell that the person has rung to different authorities and also to the family members, so that they come to know what kind of a situation they are in and they can get help at the earliest. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.